Good morning, boys and girls. This morning you will be working on the 3-digit addition or subtraction worksheet. So what I'm going to do is read the directions, and you should pause this video, complete the problem after I've read the directions, and then hit play when you're ready for the next problem. So make sure you put your name right here in the top left corner on this line. So when you've done that, you can go ahead and continue with the rest of the video. Complete the following problems. A. In 2010, tickets to Disney World cost $101 after tax. In 2016, tickets to Disney World cost $131 after tax. How much more does it cost for a ticket to Disney World in 2016? So we know that in 2016, the ticket cost $131 after tax. And in 2010, it was $101 after tax. So we know the prices went up for a ticket to Disney World in 2016. We need to find out how much more does it cost in 2016 than 2010. So how much more? We know if we see how much more, that means that we need to find the difference. So go ahead and pause this video and complete that problem. All right, B. Katie went on a mini vacation in Orlando and stayed in a hotel for 2 nights. Each night it cost her $186. How much did it cost to stay in the hotel? So we know that Katie stayed for 2 nights and it cost her $186 for 1 night. So we need to find the price for 2 nights. Make sure you show your work in this space and solve. Pause this video and then hit play when you're ready for the next problem. All right, question C. Robin read 147 words in 1 minute. Lily read 180 words in 1 minute. How many fewer words did Robin read than Lily? So we know that Lily read more words with 180 than Robin did with 140. We need to know how many fewer words did Robin read than Lily. So we need to find the difference, or how much less Robin read than Lily. D. Carol read a book with 334 pages in it. Marty read a book that had 281 pages. How many more pages did Carol read than Marty? So we know Carol read more pages. It says right here that Carol read more pages. We need to figure out how many more pages Carol read than Marty. E. Alex got $130 for his birthday. He got $115 for Christmas. How much money does Alex have? So we need to figure out how much money he has from his birthday and Christmas. When you're done, you can go ahead and make sure that your name is on it. Make sure that all of your work is shown for all these problems, or rewind this video if you have any questions about any of the problems, and check that your work is correct.